Hello everyone, welcome to Smiley Denti. I am Dr. Prachi Mishra, dental surgeon. In our past episodes, we've been answering your questions. Please do keep asking more questions. They're very interesting questions. I would like to answer further questions. So the first question of today is a very interesting question. What is cosmetic dentistry and what does cosmetic dentistry fix? So cosmetic dentistry or aesthetic dentistry, it covers a very wide spectrum of dentistry. In cosmetic dentistry, we try to improve your smile, make it more beautiful so that your look is more beautiful. It can cover orthodontic treatment, it can cover crown, bridge, dentures, scaling, bleaching, giving you laminates, veneers. So it is a very broad spectrum, a wide spectrum of dentistry. Almost all aspects of dentistry can come into cosmetic dentistry. It is basically smile designing. That is what cosmetic dentistry is. The next question, what is enamel shaping? Enamel shaping is also a part of cosmetic dentistry, in which your dentist will grind the tooth to grind and get rid of the imperfections in your tooth. So the enamel to some extent can be grinded. It is a safe procedure because there will be very little bit of grinding and maybe decreasing the size of the tooth, giving your tooth a good proper contour to make your smile even more aesthetic, more beautiful. That is enamel shaping, giving proper shape to your enamel, proper shape to your tooth. The next question, what are veneers and how much do veneers cost? How long do teeth veneers last for? Do veneers damage your tooth? Are veneers permanent? Okay, all about veneers. So veneers are also a part of cosmetic dentistry. Veneers are basically a thin layer of a material that is cemented on top of your tooth. For various reasons they can be done. They are indicated in conditions where there is staining or some discoloration in the tooth, fluorosis, or maybe spacing between the teeth, broken teeth, small fractured teeth. In these cases, veneers are given. They are a part of smile designing to make your smile beautiful, aesthetic smile. There are basically two types of veneers: composite veneers and porcelain veneers. The cost of veneers, well, that is a very vague question that I cannot answer. It depends on which part of the world you are, because dentistry costs very different in different parts of the world. How long a veneer lasts depends on what oral care you are giving your veneer, how well you can take care of the veneer, and also it depends on the material of the veneer. If it is a composite veneer, it will last maybe for say 6 to 8 years. If it is a porcelain veneer, it can last for more than 10 years or 10 to 20 years maybe. So it depends on the type of veneer. Also, there are certain conditions when veneers cannot be given, in cases if the oral hygiene is very poor, if there is bleeding gums, or if you have a condition which is bruxism, that is grinding of teeth at night. So that is also when veneers are not given. What are the advantages of veneers? Veneers are they are an easy procedure, quick procedure. There is minimal of cutting done on the tooth. So in veneers, we only cut the front portion of the tooth, and the back portion is usually preserved. So this is different from giving a crown. When you give a crown to the tooth, a crown or a bridge to the tooth, so the cutting is more. So in veneers, we do a very minimal cutting of the tooth. So I hope that answered your question all about veneers and cosmetic dentistry. Keep watching and please keep asking more questions. Thank you.